Good evening, everyone. In response to week 7's discussion on descriptive research, what I did was I Googled descriptive research, and basically this is what came up. I found this research article that was actually pretty interesting and very clarifying for me. So the first part is, what is descriptive research? And what it says here is that it is the what is that helps determine why we can, or how we can determine cause and effect later on. So descriptive statistics tell the what is and how it can be applied to investigate different cause and effect questions. And so as I was looking, it did give me different research methodologies, and the first one I looked at was survey. And the thing that I looked up that was clarifying for me about surveys is that there does need to be a sound methodology and well-designed data collection instrument, such as a Likert type scale. And as we went down to interviews, this particular paper talked about face-to-face interviews and telephone interviews, and what was important about those was that all interviewers are well trained in the same technique so that they are able to better produce appropriate answers for the study. And then as we go on, there's questionnaires, and it particularly talked about mailed questionnaires. And the thing about those is they tend to have lower response rates, but can also cover larger populations. So that I found pretty interesting. And it also said that they should also include open-ended questions, which it says right here, to allow for the participant to emerge with their ideas. And then as we went further down, I did talk about observations, and the two things that I thought were interesting here were that there are two different types of observations according to Swain and Ari, which are structured and unstructured observations. So a structured observation would give you a quantitative approach, and an unstructured observation would give you a qualitative approach. So what it said was that the unstructured approach would then lead with the results to and be more like a or in the pilot study, and it would help shape your structured observation later on. So I talked about systematic observations of behavior, and that. So this article, if you are interested, you can all see the link there. I found it very clarifying for me, and as regarding descriptive research. So have a good evening.